So guys, for the first method, you're gonna head it with search and type in services. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on any service one time and then click on W on your keyboard. Now you want to find Windows Update. We're gonna scroll down till we find Windows Update. Here it is. You're gonna double click on this. You're gonna make the startup type automatic and then click on start, which will now make the service status running, and then click on OK. Now you're gonna click on restart. You want to restart the Windows Update service. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're gonna head it with search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you're gonna click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find Windows Update. Click on run. And now this will come up, the Windows Update troubleshooter. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, if it detects anything, it'll try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next method, you're gonna head it with search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you're going to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. Now you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And then once that's been done, we're now going to type in dism /online /cleanup -image /restore health. Click on enter again. You now want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. And then once you complete both those scans, see if that works for you. Now for the last method, you just want to restart your computer. Come back into Windows and then try again. Hopefully this will now fix your problem.